Alright, I'm just gonna show a quick tutorial on how to use OBS and like what the best settings are for whatever you have, honestly. So I'll just go over these quick. Uh, this first page doesn't matter, but if you're gonna be streaming, you go in here. This little thing is what these are right here. Do this and apply it. Start streaming. We'll do that. Let's do a 20-second for now. Show. So you'll just say yes. It's not gonna live stream anywhere. It's just gonna see how good your internet is. And if you already know how to like set it up, this will be like the best way to, eyeball what you're doing and shit. But right now I got it at 550 because my internet's really bad. Quality is just your GPU, so depending on what you have, you can do max quality. If you have like a lower end GPU, do like max performance or performance. I don't know. This, I don't think it matters. XB frame, do 2. Same with the keyframe, 2. Can look ahead, yeah, whatever. Q0. Recording, just select whatever folder you want it to go in, and if you have tracks, which I only really have 2, but I have 3 selected, I guess. Bitrate doesn't matter, not using internet when you're recording. Uh, Same thing, 2. Then same thing, this is GPU, so doesn't matter. For audio, it'll just be like I have my mic instead of my like headset audio. And for here, you'll do your whatever you're taking. And when I do live streams, I set this to 480 because my PC or my Wi-Fi can't handle 1080p. Keys, I got like starting streaming and then just starting and recording, starting stop recording. For advanced, this is this. You can see right now it's good, I guess. That's the max it's gonna run, or what it's running right now, I guess. I just set it to 60 because I don't know. I get a bit better KD, KB or whatever the fuck it is, kilobytes. I'm not sure about this. I wouldn't really mess with this too much because it's all for streaming. Um, yeah. Apply. What was that one thing I was fucking with earlier? Oh yeah, this. Yeah. Stop streaming. And then the best spot to get your speed test is just speedtest.net. I get like 7.8 or some shit. 7.5. You can take that number basically and put a 0 behind it. So if you have like up here, 2 spaces and then a 0, you know. Pretty simple. I don't know if I mentioned this, but these 2 things are the fucking shit right here. So you just do one, and one will go away, one will be there. I don't know what the fuck it does. Never mind. I thought that's what it was. Butter TV. I don't know what the fuck. Butter TTV. Alright, well, whatever. Yeah, you have your different folders and you right click and yeah, you can capture audio, you can capture just video or maybe, I don't know. Scenes, image. I usually do right here is you can see display and then, oh shit. Can't really take you to another one, but I use display and game capture. So like for when I'm streaming games, it'll capture whole windows. Okay, it'll say yeah, capture any windows or capture specific window, and it'll click. Look out on sound OBS, like that. But we're not gonna do nothing. We're gonna delete this. I kind of have mine. Oh shit. I fucked up, didn't I? Yeah. So if your PC still is like having or like another thing, you click this little icon right here. I'm pretty sure it just darkens it for you, so I'm gonna press it, and we'll see. Okay, it'll be a test. So I think for this for live streams, and then if your PC is running like kind of laggy and shit while you're recording, if you have this on and you know with this background, it doesn't run as smooth as me or some shit, you know. Fucking click on it. You press enable preview, and it'll go away. Alright, and it'll make it so much smoother. When I had a 750 Ti and a little gateway rig, like it works so good. Like I could record stuff and shit. Oh yeah, almost forgot. Join my Discord, follow me on Twitch, and subscribe. See ya.